Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let vector A equals this. So, we have a vector A, vector B equals this, okay, vector C equals this. So, we have three vector A, vector B, vector C. Be three vectors such that vector B equals 2 times vector A. Great. So this thing I have to copy. So vector B equals 2 times vector A, and vector A is perpendicular to vector C. Vector A is perpendicular to vector C, and the possible value of lambda1, lambda2, lambda3 is. Okay, let's try to calculate these things. So first we will write down the vector B. Vector B is what? 4i plus 3 minus lambda2j plus 6k equals 2a. So again 4i plus 2 times lambda1j plus 6k. Now try to understand what I am trying to write. My idea is here we have three variables, lambda1, lambda2, lambda3. So what I will try to do, I will write down all the variables, this and this, into one variable only. Okay, so look at this. So can I write 4 equals to 4? See, look at this. If you will compare this and this already equal, this and this already equal, so the j component will also be equal. Can I write 2 times lambda1 is equal to 3 minus lambda2? Or can I say that lambda2 is 3 minus 2 times lambda1? So now we got lambda2. So we have this combination lambda1 comma 3 minus 2 times lambda1. Now we have to find out lambda3. Now look at this, how we will find out lambda3. As it is given that vector A and vector C are perpendicular. So if two vectors are perpendicular, this means what? Its dot product will be 0. So can I write A dot C equals 0? Now go with A dot C. So it is I with I 6 plus 6 times lambda1 plus 3 times lambda3 minus 1 equals to 0. Now we will divide both sides by 3. So it is 2. It is 2. Okay. So can I write lambda3 equals? Lambda3 equals what? Yes. Yes. Minus 1 minus 2 times lambda1. So we got our lambda3 as well. So minus 1 minus 2 times lambda1. So this is the combination we got. If the value of lambda1 is 1, now here you have to replace lambda1 as 1, you will get your lambda2. Here you will replace lambda1, you will get lambda3. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.